Place value drawings within 1,000 to add. Day 3. Hope you have your whiteboard or your notebook and are ready to work. Write down the number you see. Notice we've moved on up and we have hundreds today. So we have 200 plus 50 plus 4 equals 254. Notice our hundreds are a square because they are 10 rows of 10 each. All right, write down this number. Hopefully you've realized by now that if you draw them neatly, you can just write the answer because you can see it. You can see that there are 4 hundreds. You can see that this is an 80 and that's a 9. So all you need to write is 489. Now let's practice adding. We have a 137 and a 145. So we have 200 plus 70. Oh, 5 and 5 make 10. And the extra 2. We're going to combine our like terms together here. So 70 plus 10 equals 80. So in expanded form, we have 200 plus 80 plus 2. In standard form, we write 282. Notice our hundreds are lined up and our tens are lined up. We still like the 5 groups together with our extras. All right, we have 168 plus 185. But I've noticed here that there is a mistake right there. There needs to be one more block. So we'll make this be our block. Ready? 100 plus 100 equals 200. There's our 50 plus 50 equals 100. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 5 and 5 equals 10, plus the extra 3. We have a lot of like terms to combine, so 200 plus 100 equals 300. 40 plus 10 equals 50. So 353 is my answer. Nice. I'm glad we looked at that carefully to see that my picture did not match up to my number. All right, 146 plus 249. We're going to draw one square for 100. 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a space, 6. I'm going to draw 2 squares for my 200. Line up my 40 right underneath my 40. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a space, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll add them up. 300 plus 80. Oh, 5 and 5 makes 10. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. Combine our like terms, which are 80 plus 10 to equal 90, for 300 plus 90 plus 5 equals 395. 274, so 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 300s, which are squares because they stand for 10 strips of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 3 ones. We'll add and get 500. 50 and 50. Love it when we could make 100. And 60 plus 7. 500 plus 100 equals 667. I look at this. There's no 50 group there, but there's also not a 50 group there, so we don't need to leave space for it anywhere. So I have 300s, 30, and a 5 group, and 2 extras, and a 100. Put your 40 right below your 30. Line up your 5 group and your 4. We have 400s plus 70, but if I look over there, do you see that? So if you want to combine that 70 and 10 together into an 80, you can. So 486. Excellent work. All right, I'm checking. I have a 5 group, I have a 50 group, a 50 group, a 5 group. So that means they're all going to line up nicely. 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space, 60, and just a 5. 400s. When we start getting lots of 400s, a lot of times I will stack them up so they don't take up so much space. There's my 50 and my 70. Line up my 9. So I have my 5 groups. Do you see my 50s and my 5s? That makes it so I can say, woohoo, 100, woohoo, 10. So then I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and another one is 700. 30 plus that 10 is 44. So 744. Picture proofs is really one of my favorite strategies, but you do have to be neat. You don't want to have a mess that you can't see what you're doing. Notice I have 100 and 4 10s and 5 1s. I'm just going to line up my 50 underneath my 40 because I don't have any extras. 300 plus 90 plus, oh, look at that 10 and a 2. Well, 90 plus 10 is a nice partner to 100. So 300 plus 100 equals 402. So we ended up with no 10s in that group for an answer. Great job today.